Hi guys, welcome to Freshers Camp. So we are back with another part of problems on numbers, part 2. In part first, we have dealt with some of the basic concepts and some of the formulas. In part 2, we will continue with the questions. Before moving on to the details of part 2, let me tell you about our channel. We provide regular updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical and all other type of job opportunities as well as preparation material for campus placements and government jobs. Do not forget to subscribe the channel for regular updates. Please like the video and leave your queries in the comment section below. So the question on screen was the homework problem provided in part first. Let's solve this first and after that we will move to another questions. So what least number must be added to 1056 so that the sum is completely divisible by 23? Okay, so what we'll do in these types of question is now ask that what we have to add in 1056 so that 23 would be easily 1056 would be easily divisible by 23. So what we will do is we will just divide 1056 by 23 and we will get here 21 as a remainder after dividing that. So required number would be you will subtract this dividend from remainder, and so this will be the required number you need to add in 1056 so that 23 can easily divide 1056 totally. So your answer is 2 and that is option A. So the answer for homework problem is option A. Moving on to other questions. So the question is 1397 into 1397 is what? Okay, so either you can multiply it like for seriously, but you know that it will take a lot of time. So the basic trick for solving these types of questions is here. What you will do is you can write 1397 into 1397 as 139 square. Now you can write 1397 as 1400 minus 3 ka whole square, right? And you know that a minus b square formula we have already studied in part first. You will just simply apply the formula here, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a is 1400, b is 3 and 2ab, and this is how you solve it, and after solving it you will get the answer as this, which is your option A, as you can see. So what you need to do is you need to see the question and the equation, and if you can form the equation and like the formula, so that would be very easy for you guys to solve any question for numbers. So we will move to another questions. How many of the following numbers are divisible by 132? Okay, so you can write 132 as 4 into 3 like 12 and 12 into 11, that is 132. So if the number is divisible by all the three numbers 4, 3 and 11, then the number is divisible by 132 also, right? So what you will do it, you will just write all the numbers and see if they are divisible by 11, 3 and 4. Let's say 264, so 264 is divisible by 11, 3 and 4, as well as 396 is also divisible. 462 is not divisible by 792 is divisible by all the three. 968 no. 2178 no. 5184 no. Now the last number is 6336, that is also divisible by 11, 3 and 4. So the numbers divisible by 132 are 264, 396, 792 and 6336. So required number is 4. That is your answer. So this is the similar type of questions we have solved above. Here you have a multiplication equation, let's say. So what you will do it, you can see that this number is really very big and you don't know how you'll multiply it by to 625. You cannot do anything with this number, but you can write 625 as 4 raised to the power 4, and after that you can write it as 10 divided by 2 raised to the power 4. Then you can write it as multiplied by 10 to the power 4 and 2 to the power 4. So once you open it, and you can easily solve this, as you can see. But if you would have just multiplied it directly from this to this, you see the calculation would be very hectic for you. So you need to ease the question and then solve it, as you can see, and your answer is option B here. The largest four-digit number exactly divisible by 88 is. Okay, so largest four-digit number, we know that it is 9999. So we will simply divide 88 by 9999, and we get it like, yeah, you get it as in remainder you get 55. So like the question we did before, you will just simply subtract it from the quotient here. Well, before we were subtracting it from the dividend, now we are subtracting it from the quotient, because the language of the question you have to read. We have the question asks that the largest four-digit number exactly divisible by 88. So that is why here we have subtracted from the largest four-digit number, and there it was asked about the dividend. So that's why we there subtracted from dividend, and here we are subtracting from the quotient. After subtracting, you get it as 9944, which is your answer, option A. Which of the following is a prime number? So you can see that 33 is divisible. The number who are not divisible by any number except one are prime number. So you can say here only 97 is a prime number. That is option D. Yeah, so this is all about the concept of problem on numbers, and these are all the questions that you can face in any aptitude exams of numbers. This is a homework problem for you guys. The problem is little difficult, so that's why we have already revealed the answer, but try to solve this question and we will solve it fully in the next chapter or in the next part. Okay, do not forget to subscribe the channel for regular updates. Please like the video and leave your queries in the comment section below. Thank you.